Dashcams are great for those situations where you know it wasn't your fault because you have proof. But what happens when they run and all you have is a nice footage of the back of their car with unreadable license plates? Meet the Vueroid S1 4K. This dashcam doesn't only get 4K footage, but it reads license plates in motion using specialized infinite plate AI mode. In the box you get the S1, which features a 4-inch tall design with a built-in LCD screen for real-time monitoring. And the mounting system is a practical 3M adhesive plate that the unit slides onto, making it easy to remove when you're parked for the night, or in a neighborhood where you think they're just going to borrow it from your car. The package includes a 2K rear camera, which is vital for hit-and-run protection, and even an option cabin camera, as well as all the cables you need to install this for plug-and-play or a permanent setup. It also comes standard with a circular polarizing filter, CPL, which is great for cutting through windshield glare. From my personal experience, I would suggest running this in 4K. While the 2K mode looks better than most budget 4K cameras, you lose that critical dynamic range needed to read digits when you zoom in, especially at night. And nighttime is where most dashcams fail. To combat this, Vueroid has a specific setting. If you drop the frame rate to 30 frames per second, you unlock HDR plus infinite plate capture. This uses AI reconstruction to clear up the glare from your own headlights. While it's not magic, the difference in legibility compared to standard 60 frames per second is significant. Now, I won't focus on anybody's place for privacy, but trust me, you can clearly read highway signs and plates that would otherwise be blurry or just white. And like I said earlier, you can wire this permanently to your car if you're keen on using parking mode, which is basically sentry mode. In this state, it's running an extreme low power mode, drawing about 1 milliamp power from your battery, so it's not going to conk your battery out if you just leave it out overnight. Also, a few things I noticed, so it doesn't catch you unawares. If you change your resolutions in settings, the device will force a reformat of your SD card. So if you're shooting in one resolution, make sure you back up your footage first before changing your resolution so you don't lose whatever footage you had before. And speaking of footage, you can extract this pretty easily either via the SD card or just plugging the unit into your computer or even your phone's USB-C port. It will read the device and you can read your footage that way. And finally, there's the price, which might be a concern, but you have to ask yourself, what is a dashcam worth if you can't read the plates when you actually need it? Yeah. And those are my quick thoughts on the Vueroid S1 4K Infinite. I think it's really good quality for what you get, especially at night with the plate reading. I think it's a game changer. If you're interested in the S1, I will leave the links to where you can find them below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.